I've got a question for you. How many different ways can you think of to prepare zucchini? It seems endless, doesn't it? We can grate it and turn it into a really moist quick bread, or we can add some grated zucchini to a pot of spaghetti sauce to give it extra body. And when it cooks down, no one even knows it's in there. And have you ever thought about stuffing them? Yup, they're great when they're stuffed with a beefy tomato or veggie filling. You can even serve them sauteed as a simple side dish, or make them your new soon-to-be favorite way, like this. After slicing them thin, we dip each piece in milk and then into Italian-style breadcrumbs that we mixed with a bit of Parmesan cheese. These go onto a wire rack that we placed over a baking sheet. I'm going to pop these in the oven, but you can also make these in your air fryer. Once they're crispy, they're ready to munch on. These are healthy and fun to eat on their own or dunked in sauce. You can even use them to add an extra crunch to your salads. To get the recipe for our baked zucchini chips, simply check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found fresh from the garden way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Pretty good, huh? Mm-hmm. See ya.